Hello viewers, how are you? I am Robiul Khokon from Bangladesh. I am working digital marketing. My best skill Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, Facebook create setup, Instagram marketing, Instagram ads, LinkedIn marketing, Twitter marketing, social media content create, and graphic design with Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Example: logo design, t-shirt design, social media post design, image manipulation, book cover design, business card design, trifold voucher design, calendar design and envelope design. Attraction. Please follow my profile and order me.